welcome to a new video. This is Edgar.
Hello.
I guess you know him. You just have to know him. We are going to do a taste test today, and I'm really excited for that.
With our dogs, of course.
Yeah. We just went to Whole Foods and bought a bunch of stuff. We're going to try that now. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I think we start with the Ben & Jerry's.
Yes, let's start with the Ben & Jerry's.
Yeah.
This is the coffee caramel fudge. Oh.
Oh my god! Cheers.
Cheers. Crunchy. It's pretty good. Remember you said you don't really like coffee that much, but this is pretty good.
I don't like coffee, but coffee with a lot of milk in it and a lot of sugar.
It tastes better.
I love that.
7.5.
I would say 8.
So this one is so soft.
Okay.
Hopefully it's still edible.
This one is Halo Top Cinnamon Roll. Whoa, this is soft.
Soft.
It has chunks in it.
Oh, let's get the chunks. Oh my god.
Cheers.
Is that made with aquafaba?
It's so fluffy.
It is. I don't know, but it tastes pretty good, actually. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's like frosting. It's like so fluffy. It's like foam. It's not foam.
Yeah. I wouldn't eat it like this. I would add it to something else that's crispy.
Like
waffles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do next. 5, 6.
I say 6.
I say 5. So their vanilla one is really good. That's why I think this is
Okay.
my favorite. But this is like vanilla and like snickerdoodle.
Yeah, vanilla is kind of boring, I guess.
Yeah, it's kind of basic, and I thought it was good already.
Yeah.
This is called so delicious too. So
yeah, perfect.
Cheers.
Like 10.
I thought. Yeah.
This is everything. It's like sugar, crispy stuff. This is our breakfast.
I know, right?
By the way.
That was good. Definitely a 10.
This is a 10 for me. That's even more than a 10. This is everything. Healthy vegan lifestyle.
For breakfast tomorrow. Oh my god. I never tried this brand. It's Organic 365. This is actually the Whole Foods brand. The blue corn tortilla chips. So they have a lot of their stuff in the store.
She thinks it's This looks like it's really old. Like seriously, really old.
It got rotten.
Shouldn't eat it anymore.
Cheers. It's nice and crispy.
I think it has a weird taste.
It tastes like it's old.
Yeah. Exactly.
It tastes like it's old. 4.
Yeah, 4.
These are banana and peanut butter bites. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I'm not really a big fan of that banana flavor. Look, I can make her do a trick. Up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good girl. You're a good girl.
Oh, she wants one too. Thank you.
Yeah, he's gonna do. I say that was like a 1.
I say a 3 because I know how those bananas taste like, and I knew that it's going to taste good.
Tastes like that? Okay. Yeah. I never had Justin's. Justine's? Oh, that's an E? I think it's Justine's. You're right. It's Justine's. It's a woman. So, Justine's 2 dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Cheers. The taste after. When the chocolate melts. It's really good. So, at first, it tastes like nothing. And then, like, the chocolate melts. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's perfect. I would say that's 9 out of 10.
Okay, I say 10.
Yeah.
So I've had this brand. This one's the falafel flavor. Cheers. Nice and crispy.
This is amazing.
These are really good, really crispy. Not too salty, but salty enough. And they do taste like falafel.
And I think that they taste better than normal falafels. I would say that's a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9. I was eyeing this out since I asked if you had this before. I've never had, what did you call them? The other
Bounty?
brand? Bounty. So these are like the Bounties, but like the vegan version, dark chocolate.
Oh, it's soft. It's not.
It's not like hard.
Yeah. I think it's really good, but it's not extremely special.
It's not like Bounty.
Yeah.
Like when I had Bounties, I was like, oh, I would eat all of them. Oh, I've never had their Diet cheddar cheese. Veganism is coming up in the world, and it's coming up with so many cheeses, like the provolone. Like, I don't even know what that is, but...
What? It smells like cheese.
Yeah, it does. I hate the way the cheese smells.
Really?
Yeah.
I love cheese.
Oh, wait. As we're eating this, we didn't rate...
Oh my god, we're so stupid.
We're rating the Bounties, or like, you know, the vegan Bounties.
I would say it's 7.
Yeah. It tastes like American cheese. Like, you know, like in that plastic container is like the...
Yeah, the really cheap ones.
Yeah, the really
but
cheap
I love
ones.
them so much. I think they're better than those expensive special cheese.
That tastes like it tastes like that really cheap cheese, but it's like so good. They're actually perfect.
It looks like this really cheap cheese.
Yeah,
it's just the same.
8.5.
Yeah, same. So the next one is Follow Your Heart Provolone.
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 Yes.
I don't know if I just smelled on my hand or on the cheese. It smells less like something.
It's like nothing. No.
It's not cheese texture,
No.
but it doesn't really have a taste. And then after that, you're like, this tastes weird. Kind of like an old book or something like that.
When you're going through like an old dusty book, it's like...
Yeah, I would eat that.
I say a 4.
I say 3.
Kite Hill key lime yogurt. This is local. This is actually in Hayward, which is 15 minutes away from here. This is local made here. This one should be really tasty. I've never had it. It tastes like lime.
It doesn't taste like fake lime. It tastes like real lime.
Yeah. I actually like it.
I know it feels like cashew stuff, kind of, in your mouth.
But it's almond.
Yeah.
That one.
And the feeling of it, it's not that soft. It feels like you would lick on this jeans. I mean, I don't do that, but
you're right. It's like especially the after, like when it's like dissipating in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say 5.
6.
Oh, this one is the one that is with less sugar.
Oh, and it's Greek style.
Greek style.
So
Oh my
like
god.
Greek style is thicker. So
Oh,
it's
fancy.
Like, so you're right. Oh.
That this looks weird. No! Oh my god. Oh, it smells like. So if you're from Germany, you probably know Fruchtzwerge. It smells like Fruchtzwerge.
Holzwagel?
What did you say?
What is it?
Fruchtzwerge?
Volkswagen? I can't use Let me try to say it again.
Fruchtzwerge?
Volks? Oh my god, I Volkswagen?
Exactly. Yeah, it smells like that.
Creamier. Sour.
It's really sour. It doesn't taste like blueberry at all. No, I don't like that.
It's so sour. Cinnamon buns. So we have cinnamon buns in the oven.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that smells so good.
This is. Oh my god.
Apple cinnamon mini waffles. These are the Whole Foods brand.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I could eat the whole thing. Because it's crispy. It would be perfect with ice cream.
Yeah. There's not a lot of
Flavor
or something like that. I would say 7.
7.5.
You like this and a half thing because then it sounds better, right? So
It's like, it's a little bit
I want to be
better.
nice. So I say 0.5. It's not that. This is Proba chocolate peanut butter blend.
It's so thick. Oh my god, it's like
like
one
one
Play-Doh.
Oh my god, do you like the smell of Play-Doh?
I do.
It's so good.
It's a weird effort. It tastes like protein powder.
Oh my god, peanut butter is so good. And then it's kind of also bitter and chocolate. Yeah, it's okay.
6.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, it's not great.
Maybe
I wouldn't
more
buy
like
it again.
More like 5.
This is Justine's again. Peanut butter.
Whoa.
Ooh,
It's so creamy.
Peanut butter is my addiction. It's alright.
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
I thought it would be better.
Yeah, I was expecting like something so delicious.
Yeah. They should have added salt or something like that.
Salt. I like little pieces of peanuts in there. The
So
package
this
is all broken up.
This is a cinnamon bun from some company and it's vegan. No, cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. Yeah. It's crispy too.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I would say 9 out of 10.
I was gonna say the same thing. It's pretty damn good. I mean, sugar is the #1 addiction. You know that.
And I'm addicted, but I'm proud of it. So I have no problem with that.
So this is again another Kite Hill product. Plain cream cheese. It smells like cream cheese.
Yeah, it smells like normal cream cheese.
Cheers.
Cheers. That one is really good. This in combination is a 10 for me. But I think separated, it's a 9.
It's a 9, yeah.
both.
The combination is a 10, yeah. The creaminess and like kind of salty with like, with that.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Peanut butter puffins. Let's see if this smells like peanut butter.
Wait, I'm a pro. I can do that. I can do it with my finger. This is how you open a bag on both sides, so 2 people can look. Perfect.
It tastes like sweet peanut butter corn puffs.
Yeah.
That was good.
But it's not as good as I expected it to be. Almond breeze milk, 1.89
liters.
And I could just do like 2 liters, but no. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good. It tastes like normal almond milk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
it's
just,
good.
I would give it like
8.
Yeah, 8 or 7. You know, the thing is, it's pretty basic, and
Yeah.
you would use it every single day, and for that it's really good, but you don't just drink milk like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, you don't. Forager Project.
This looks creamy.
Yeah. Actually, this tastes like real yogurt to me.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like it that much.
Like probably the only one we didn't really agree that much.
Yeah, yeah.
We had a great time
Yeah,
trying all this stuff. And for sure the favorite thing was that ice cream.
Yeah,
The
that's the
snickerdoodle.
best. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely check out his account on Instagram and YouTube and just everything. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Love you guys.
Love you.
Ciao.